After intense flooding here in Oxford a month ago, the road is back open here. This is Route 67 here in Oxford, and you can see cars are finally passing through after this bridge was washed away in the storm. Oxford is on the road to recovery.
It seems like they're healing pretty well.
Many roads in town that were destroyed and washed away a month ago have been rebuilt and are now back open, making it easier to navigate.
Road buildup is, clearing up, and things are, seem to be, everyone's in better spirits, stuff like that. So, it's a shame what happened, but we got to learn from it and stuff like that, move on.
Just a few days ago, the Connecticut Department of Transportation announced the Route 67 bridge near Old State Route 67 was back open for two-way traffic.
Passable, at least. Like I said, we just need one more bridge to get us into Seymour and get that traffic back and forth.
Even though the town is in better shape, roads are still one of the main issues.
Slow.
Yeah.
Slow going around.
Yeah.
So as soon as that's cleared, that one bridge, looks like they're making progress.
But other bridges in town, like the Seth Den Bridge, is still closed after the road was washed away. We talked to Nicholas Henyu from Shake This in the Quarry Walk in Oxford when the flooding first happened. And today we checked in on how business is doing.
It is still really hard for people to get here. We still thank the people while they have time, that they're getting down here to come support us. But until those two bridges are at least open, that's probably going to be one of our biggest hurdles for right now.
Now, a month later, he says the people in town are continuing to support the businesses during this still difficult time.
Honestly, since a lot of the business owners got out there and were trying to help out firsthand, unless if they had complete devastation, people have been, coming in, thanking you for what you've been doing. And it's not like they just come back once. They're coming back multiple times. So it's really nice to know that, as we did the right things, we're actually building long-lasting friendships now, too.
Many of the people we spoke with say that they're pretty happy with how things are progressing in town. They say there still is a way to go, but they're feeling much more hopeful nowadays. In Oxford, Alexa Farrell, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.